you ready to take your guitar playing to the next level? Well, welcome to Unlocking New Sounds, a quick guide to advanced guitar chords, part 1. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can master some advanced chords in just minutes. Now, in addition to learning these advanced chords, it's important to see how they are used in the song. I think I found an excellent example. Now, there was quite a few to choose from here, but my most favorite one is definitely this one right here. You're going to love this song. It's one of the best examples that I can think of. And I think you might have even heard it before, so I need you to stick around towards the end of this lesson because I'm excited to teach it to you. Hello everybody and welcome. My name is Jeff Davis. I'm a 35-year guitar instructor holding a degree in education, also classical guitar performance, teaching over 60 students a week, running my 120 music student music school here in Plymouth, Michigan, and I'm excited to teach you today. I have a great lesson planned, so let's grab your guitar and let's get going. Now before we dive in, we need to talk about the importance of advanced chords. Now, advanced chords can add a richness and depth to your guitar playing, allowing you to unlock new sounds, create unique melodies and voice leading from chord to chord, and they are an important and critical next step after learning the basic major and minor chords in the guitar. So there are a lot of advanced chords out there, and the obvious and most important next step for us is to start with the category of major and dominant seventh chords. Let's dive into a bit of the theory behind these chords and the chord shapes and what they look like. Alright, let's start with the major seventh chord. Let's talk music theory and why it's even called the major seventh. Now, to make a major seventh chord, we will start out with a basic major triad. You'll have a root, a major third, and a fifth from the C major scale. Now, to turn that into a major seventh chord, you just need to add the seventh scale degree. So in this case, we're using the C major triad with its notes C, E, and G. To turn it into a C major 7, we just need to add the B note from the C major scale. And there you have it. A C major 7 chord. The second advanced chord that we're going to learn today is called a dominant 7th chord. Let's talk music theory and why it's called a dominant 7. Now, to make a dominant 7th chord, start out with a basic major triad. You'll have a root, a major third, and a fifth. And once again, let's refer to the C major scale to find the notes C, E, and G. Now, to turn that into the dominant 7th chord, we need to add the 7th note, but this time we will add a flat to that 7th note, a B flat. And there you have it, a C dominant 7th chord. Now, as mentioned earlier, major and dominant 7th chords are the most important advanced chords to learn, but we need to hear what they sound like and how they're going to be used in a song. Now, at the beginning of this video, I promised to show you a song that is one of the best examples of these chords, and these chords applied beautifully, and that song is, drum roll please, Something by the Beatles. There are a total of 7 chords, 5 of which are major 7 and dominant 7th, and we have a bonus chord in this called a major minor 7th chord. Check it out. Such a pretty chord, right? It's really easy to play. You're going to love it. In context of the song, it sounds beautiful. All right, so let's talk about all the chords involved in the song. We have a C major chord, which is the first finger on the 2nd string, 1st fret, 2nd finger on the 4th string, 2nd fret, and 3rd finger is on the 5th string, 3rd fret. Now to make a C major 7, which is our next chord, just lift the 1st finger, and that's C major 7. Let's go to C7. 3 and 2 are already down, so we'll leave those where they're at. Take your 4th finger and put it down on the 3rd string, 3rd fret, and take your 1st finger and put it on the 2nd string, 1st fret. C major 7. Now to make an F major 7, it's very much the same as a regular F chord, which looks like this. The 1st finger on the 2nd string, 1st fret, 2nd finger on the 3rd string, 2nd fret, 3rd finger on the 5th string, 3rd fret, 4th finger on the 4th string, 3rd fret, and you're going to open up the 1st string, so there's no bar involved with this, it's just this. To go to G7, we're going to take our 3rd finger, put it down here on the 6th string, 3rd fret, 2nd finger on the 5th string, 2nd fret, and 1st finger on the 1st string, 1st fret. There's G7. Alright, now to play a D7 chord, it looks a lot like the D chord except for it's flipped. So we're going to take our 2nd finger, put it here on the 3rd string, 2nd fret. 1st finger is going to go on the 2nd string, 1st fret. 3rd finger is going to go on the 1st string, 3rd fret. Now let's get into that bonus chord. The A major minor chord is super easy. It only takes 2 fingers to play this chord. We're going to take our 1st finger, we're going to put it here on the 3rd string, 1st fret. 2nd finger is going to go on the 4th string, 2nd fret. We're going to strum it from the 5th string. Alright, now let's play this song. To start off, we're just going to do a really basic, simple down strum. 1, 2, 3, 4, C major 7, 2, 3, 4, C dominant 7, F major 7 4 times, D7 4 times, G7 4 times. Okay, now here comes the fun part. A minor 2 times, A minor major 2 times. It's a pretty easy switch, you see that? A minor twice, D7 twice, F major 7 twice. Now we're going to play the notes E flat, D, which is the 4-string first fret, 4-string open, and then C, 2, 3. Here's the whole thing, up to speed. Congratulations, you just unlocked a whole new world of guitar chords, major 7th and dominant 7th chords. As you can see, they're not as difficult as they seem, and by the song Something by the Beatles, as a wonderful example, you can see how they're used in songs. Now, I would like to encourage you to listen for these chords and some of the music that you're already hearing, maybe some of the songs in your playlist on Spotify. You can hear these being used a lot in jazz and pop music especially. Thanks for watching Unlocking New Sounds. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more guitar tips and tutorials. Once again, it's my pleasure to bring these videos to you, but connecting with you is what makes it all worthwhile. Please don't forget to leave a comment down below and hit like and subscribe. Have a wonderful day.